welcome to the VAC Group. I'm Peter Howarth. Let's have a look at our facility here in Yatala where we manufacture the VAC trucks. Let's go and have a look at the whole process. The first stage of our operation here at Yatala in Queensland is the cab and the chassis. We've got Fuso, and we've selected Fuso because of its quality build and the way it fits in with our vacuum operation. It's a 5-step process here in our facility. We've seen the cab chassis. Let's have a look at the vac unit being produced. We're in our raw materials area here where we have a full kit to our left for production of a 6,000 litre unit. It's Australian made, quality, rolled and pressed steel. In our facility here in Yatala, we do all of our manufacturing and our fabrication in-house. Manufacturing locally gives us a great flexibility, and we're able to do custom builds. As you can see, it's all starting to come together. We're moving from fabrication to assembly. Here we are with all our components. They've been powder coated and they're ready for assembly. So here we are at the finishing line. Our quality control team has given it the all clear. It's time to go to work.